important thing in this practice, you need to have enough warm up, especially for your spine, stomach and your shoulder opening. Then you are able to do it. So the steps are, first you have to be open the legs, means the legs should be open wider. So idea is somewhere about just a 1 meter, but another thing is also depend on particular the body type. Someone have a long leg, so maybe they need the more distance. Someone have a short leg, so maybe they have the short distance. So this is measured by as per the body type. उसके हिसाब से आप इसे करें. Another thing is basic steps in a form of for the twisting and the shoulder opening. But when you will come in this practice, so firstly, like I am going from the left side, you have to be hold the left ankle from the right hand. So first step is you can be like your left hand up. Hold the left ankle with the right hand, left hand up. आप उसमें ये slowly you can be give this opening. This one. The second step in this is I am taking you directly in the pose. Then I will tell you the another technique. Technique से आप कैसे जाओगे? Someone might be in between. अगर कोई बीच में है, so you have to be play the left hand on the right thigh. Left hand आपका आएगा right thigh के ऊपर. But यहाँ पर you have to be give the movement because you have to be hold the thigh. Once you will hold the thigh, I said your spine will be in between the legs. It shouldn't be move here. But in the beginning level, when you need to be move the head, जब आप हाथ को move करोगे ना, that time you can be move the spine because it will be easy for you. अगर आप यहीं से कोशिश करोगे, so might be you need so much opening नहीं कर पाओगे, मुश्किल हो जाएगा थोड़ा सा. It will be quite difficult. So in the initial level, once you come in the pose, so better you little move on the left. एक बार लेफ्ट की तरफ मूव हो जाओ, then बहुत easily आप अपनी थाई को रोटेट कर पाओ. Means you can be easily rotate the thigh. Once you come in the position, then slowly you just put the spine in between. वहां से लेके आइए. And then depends. You have to be move the hand slowly. आप उसमें नीचे जाते जाइए, जाते जाइए, जाते जाइए. Ankle, but spine in between. Then you have to give the opening. Shoulder and your spine and then stomach opening. Another thing, like if some student they are in between, तो आप strap ले लीजिए and कोशिश कीजिए the strap like this. You have to be tied the strap here. उसको ankle पर hold मत कीजिएगा. Not be here because sometimes when you hold in the ankle, so maybe the strap can be lift up. वो ऊपर की तरफ slide हो सकता है. So better आप उसको यहीं तक रखें. Just under the foot. This one. Here, सबसे पहले आप इसे पीछे से you have to be hold the strap from your left hand जब आप उसको right में करेंगे because opposite hand की practice जाएगी आपकी यहाँ पर. So and after you can be hold the ankle. So same thing. Firstly आप थोड़ा सा lean कीजिए यहाँ पर and depends on you कि आपकी flexibility के हिसाब से as per your flexibility you have to be adjust the gap. Maybe someone are here. Or maybe someone are here, or maybe someone are able to do it. But any level you are, whatever the level you are, your spine should be in between. Technically, once you come in the position, that time you can be lean, left side or even right side, whatever it is. But once you come in the final position, so this is the final position, spine should be here. वो यहाँ पर आप किया नीचे. And another important thing कि जो भी opposite में आपका जाएगा, like example. Initially I am holding the left ankle with the right hand. So it will give you need the more opening from the opposite side, means you need the more opening from the left shoulder side. अब इसी को मैं change करूँगा यहाँ से when I will hold my right leg first and then I hold with my कौन सा हाथ हो गया right hand से left thigh. So यहाँ पर मुझे ज़्यादा opening की जरूरत पड़ेगी this side. But do not let loose. It should be you have to be engaged. Shoulder को engage करके आपको रखना है. Here. This one. Okay. So you can use the strap. Initially level की whatever the level you are, maybe gap आपका ज़्यादा है, even the gap is much or even the gap is short, whatever the gap it is. बस उसको आप manage करके रखिए. You need to be engaged there. Do not let lose your shoulder. No. Even the gap is bigger, it's not a problem. After practice by practice, when the flexibility will be increased, strength will be increased, then it will be okay. यही जो practice, the same practice we can do. Even मैं आज सोच रहा था कि I will introduce you that practice, but maybe next time when we take the class, यही practice हम legs open के साथ भी करेंगे, उसी तरीके के साथ, same way के साथ. तो maybe today हम नहीं कर पाए इसको, will be try the next time. ठीक है, अभी आप इसकी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. थैंक यू.